Go ahead. Oh, yay. Good boy. Toby just goes through it for fun. Good boy. Poppy, are you going to do it? Poppy. Aren't you going to do it? Show the boys how smart you are. Show the boys you can do it. Poppy.
Here we go. Now go through. Oh, Poppy.
Good girl, Poppy.
Alright, Poppy through. Now it's a little longer. Poppy. Poppy.
Oh, you're not playing, you guys. Silly.
Oh, Poppy's like, I'll go this way. I'll go this way. Oh, Scooter's like, but
Oh, it's time to play.
Is it time to play? Oh, Toby did a good job. Okay.
Really, Poppy? That's what you want to play?
She goes, I'm a big girl. I'm jealous.
You guys are silly. Scooter, wait.
Scooter, you can go to the tunnel with her.
Oh, good girl, Poppy. Okay, Meatball, it's your turn.
He's
like,
He's hiding.
Meatball, go. No, don't hide on my legs. Go.
Meatball?
Meatball.
Because I heard what you guys wanted me to do.
Go do it. It's okay, bud.
Toby, can you go tell me? You didn't want to know Sam either. Hold him through. Here, Buzz. Toby's like, I got it. Toby.
Oops. Oops, traffic jam.
One through.
Toby likes it.
Poppy. Poppy. Go through. Come on, go on through.
She's like, oh, I don't think so.
Oh, here. Toby, other way. Here, Pops. She'll give you a cookie when you go through. Come on, Poppy. There we go.
Good girl.
Good job. Go through. Go through and you'll get it. Go through and you'll get it. Come here. There you go.
Yay.
Poppy. Oh, this is paper. Don't eat that. Poppy. Poppy, Poppy, Poppy. Here. Poppy. Poppy. Come on, Pops. She's like, I'm going to cheat.
No, Puppy, you can't cheat.
Go through. Go follow them. Follow them. Come here.
Toby thinks this is fantastic.
Yeah. Ready, Poppy? Go get your cookie. Good girl.
Oh, yay.